this, we'll talk about wiping over the socks. If you look here at this picture, for example, look at this man. What is the man doing in this picture? What is the man doing? The man, as you see in the picture, the man is wiping over the socks. The man is wiping over the socks. If you like to wear socks, and so when you are having ablution, you don't want every time to remove the socks. You want to wipe over the socks. You can do this, but there are three conditions. Number one, that when you wear the socks, you are in a state of ablution. When you wear the socks, you are in a state of ablution. This number one. Number two, the socks should be clean. Number two, the socks should be clean. Number three, the socks should be thick. The socks should be thick, okay? Heavy. So if you like to wear socks and to wipe when you are having ablution, you don't want every time you are having ablution to remove the socks, but you want just to wipe over the socks. Can you do this? Yes, you can, but there are three conditions. Number one, you are having ablution while you are wearing the socks. When you wear the socks, you are in a state of ablution. Number one. Number two, the socks should be clean. Number three, the socks should be thick, heavy. They should be heavy. So if you do this, you can remain 24 hours without removing the socks. Without removing the socks. You can remain for 24 hours. And if you are traveling, you can remain for 72 hours, for 3 days without removing the socks. You can remain for 3 days without removing the socks. After this, we come to something which is called Tayammum. What is Tayammum? Tayammum is to have ablution without water. To have ablution without water. So you use something like dust, like soil, like sand, anything clean, dust from the ground, anything on the soil. So you can use it. You can use it to make tayammum. Any material above the ground, you can use it to make tayammum. You can use it to make tayammum. So the question, how to make tayammum? How to make tayammum? So as you see in these pictures, as you see here in this picture, you can just here, as you see the picture, you can hit the ground with your two hands. Okay, you hit the ground with your two hands, then you wipe your face one time, then you wipe the back of your right arm one time, then you wipe the back of your left arm one time. That's it. That's enough. If you do this, you are having tayammum. So if you ask when you use tayammum, as we said, you use tayammum if there isn't water, or if there is water, but there is little water. There is little water. Maybe a woman finishes her menstruation. Maybe a man, husband and wife finish their sexual intercourse and they want to take a bath and there is no water, or there is little water. There is little water. In this case, you can take tayammum. You can take tayammum until you find water. You can take tayammum, make tayammum until you find water. Maybe also someone is very ill. There is very old man or very old woman. They cannot use water. They cannot use water. In this case, they make this old man or old woman, they make tayammum. And another possibility, maybe it's very, very cold in winter, like in December or in January, when it's very, very cold. And you cannot heat water. You cannot heat water. So in this case, the person can make tayammum. So whenever you are unable to use water, maybe because there is not enough water, or there is little water, or maybe it's very cold, or maybe there is very old man or very old woman, they cannot use water. In all these cases, they make tayammum. They make